So, pardon my voice, I have the flu. This is the laundry boy. My work clothes are in there currently. That is not attached yet. An only issue I had is trying to get these little cylinder thingies in. I kind of gave up because they were being so stubborn. But I haven't had any issues without them in. I would recommend washing this before and after each use, because it do get dirty in the bottom. But there's my work clothes. It's a thick jacket and a t-shirt. Just put the detergent in. I'd recommend doing it in your tub, because it's a lot easier that way. Unless you have a really small tub, then maybe not. But make sure you have some pretty decent hot water. Otherwise, unless it requires cold stuff, put it on cold water, obviously. But I normally just do really hot water. I have it full of water now. I try to get it almost to where it's overflowing. And then you grab the lid, stick it on, turn it to where it won't immediately tug off if you pull up. You gotta like twist and turn. Slam that down, and now it's suction closed. And then you can spin it. The suction cups do decently well, but I do like to hold it just in case. Spin it for about a minute. First, you're going to want to pop this off, because that'll keep everything in. You can see it's all bubbly. And I know a lot of people had issues with this. There's a little doodad at the bottom. It doesn't work if you just stick it in. You got to stick it in and then turn it so it locks it into place. There we go. And eventually your water should come out. I will say this is a lot darker in person. But yeah, this thing is amazing, and it's a lifesaver for people like me who live in apartments. Forgot to add, if you want your laundry to be decent, I'd rinse it after you do the original wash, because otherwise your stuff is going to end up smelling real bad. So like a normal washing machine would do, it does the soapy wash and then it rinses it essentially. At least that's what mine have always done. Rinse it after you wash it. Because ew.
I have a pretty small bathroom where my sink takes up most of my counter. So mine's cockeyed right now until I get my husband to build me something to put under that left side to make it level. But my wash load drained just fine. And my quote-unquote clean wash rags that I decided to try to soften up by rewashing them, they are in the rinse cycle right now, and we'll see how well they come out. But boy, was the water ever lousy. It was so yellow. It amazes me that those were quote-unquote clean from a washing machine. And this is what it looks like when it's going around. I read that doing it a little bit slower is actually better because it causes them to tumble from one end. If you go too fast like this, they may or may not tumble, but you can hear them.
Okay, tama? Yes. Kabili, kataron pulampol. Kami, aram, mukay, isa, enam, enda, alpini, kaya, sihiri, putar, kami, iram, mukay, isa,
Me encanta. Bello, bello, bello. I love it. Estoy enamorada. Wow, nice. El mejor regalo que le puedes dar a un ser querido que no tenga lavadora es este tanquecito para lavar. Mire qué hermoso. Qué hermoso.
I am having a great time with this washer, WonderWash. I already did 2 loads, one yesterday and one today. So I really like it. And you can pour the water in your garden. How nice is that?
Why don't you get in the car? Get inside.
And this is the drainage tube. You just plug it in to this spot here. Cool.
Screw you, laundromat. Right, Precious?
There's a little drain spout with that thing. And the lid just opens that and the top comes off.
Not cool at all.